Making your own natural cleaner sounds amazing, right? But what if I told you some mistakes could ruin your cleaning magic? But don't worry, I'm here to help you avoid the mess and nail it every time. Here are 5 big mistakes people make when they're making their own natural DIY cleaners. First up, mixing the wrong ingredients. Vinegar and Castile soap don't work together. They will congeal and react funny, and it'll make your recipe ineffective. The fix is to use Castile soap in water-based products and vinegar in acidic-based products. 2 common ingredients I also see together often is baking soda and vinegar. When you combine these two, you get a cool, foamy, bubbly reaction. But in that reaction, they're canceling each other out, so you're not getting their amazing cleaning benefits that both ingredients have. If you want to use both baking soda and vinegar in your cleaning products, use them in separate steps. Scrub with baking soda, then spray away with vinegar. Next mistake I see quite often is not using a surfactant or solubilizer. Most natural DIY cleaning recipes use essential oils because they are amazing cleaners. If you don't use a solubilizer, the essential oils are going to float on top and aren't going to mix into your recipe properly. When they're floating on top, they are also more likely to oxidize and become ineffective. You can make a great cleaner with essential oils floating on top, but you'll need to shake it every time and you'll need to refresh your mixture more often than if you were to incorporate a solubilizer or a surfactant that helps mix the essential oils into the product. Simply Earth's natural solubilizer is both a surfactant and solubilizer. So what it'll do is it'll mix in the essential oils into your product and work to clean off grime and build up on your counters. Mistake number 3 is using tap water. And tap water might seem harmless, and it is fine to use for a quick clean. But if you are making a spray that you want to sit on your shelf and then reuse over and over again, you will want to use distilled water. Tap water can sneak in minerals and bacteria into your cleaning product, which will shorten its shelf life and be less effective than using something like distilled water instead. Mistake number 4, here's a biggie, and that is not using a preservative. Cleaning products that include water but no preservative aren't going to last long. The solution is to add a natural preservative like GeoGuard ECT, which is really easy to work with and comes from natural ingredients, for your cleaner to stay safe and effective much longer. Mistake number 5 is expecting instant results or the exact same results you would get with a store-bought cleaner that uses synthetic ingredients to clean. Natural cleaners aren't synthetic chemicals. Nature makes them for its own purposes, not necessarily to clean your countertop. So when we are using them to clean our countertop, we need to be a little extra patient or use a little extra scrubbing to get the really clean results we want. If you want to skip the guesswork on making your own natural cleaners, you have to check out the free cheat sheet I made. It gives you ingredients, recipes, all tested by a certified aromatherapist and proven to be effective. Another great step in creating your natural cleaners is subscribing to Simply Earth's recipe box, where you'll get ingredients and recipes delivered straight to your door. Let's make natural cleaning simple and fun. What are some of your tips to make sure your natural cleaners turn out amazing every time? Comment below.